everyone, welcome to Origami Land. Have you ever wondered how a simple piece of paper can transform into something amazing? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of origami with a special treat, a detailed tutorial on how to create an origami dragon. And that's not all. Stick around till the end, and you'll get exclusive access to tutorials on crafting 2 more origami airplane. Trust me, you won't want to miss these. Did you know that origami isn't just an art form, but a practice that has surprising therapeutic benefits? From reducing stress to improving focus, the simple act of folding paper can make a significant impact on your well-being. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our exciting and thrilling content. Origami isn't just about folding paper. It's an art that embodies patience, precision, and unparalleled creativity. The origami dragon, in particular, highlights how simplicity and beauty can merge to create something truly unique. Starting with just a square piece of paper, we'll guide you through each step, transforming it into a majestic dragon that's sure to impress your friends. Consider this: 75% of people find that engaging in a hands-on creative activity, like origami, helps them relax and focus better. Think about the satisfaction of making an artistic piece that entertains and amazes. As you follow along, you'll not only improve your origami skills, but also gain a deeper appreciation for this timeless craft. From the first crease to the final fold, this tutorial guarantees you'll grasp the essential techniques needed to bring your origami dragon to life. Each fold brings you closer to mastering the art of origami, providing you with valuable tips and tricks that can be applied to other projects. But it's more than just the end product. It's about the journey itself. Each fold is a step towards creating something extraordinary. You'll uncover the therapeutic benefits that come with the practice of folding, finding inner calm and focus with every fold. The sense of accomplishment when you complete your dragon is unmatched. You know, you made a simple piece of paper into a beautiful, functional piece of art. Origami has its roots deep within the historical and cultural fabric of Japan, originating from the traditional practice of paper folding. This craft has been passed down through generations and has evolved with every new fold. The origami dragon, while seemingly simple, holds a rich history and meaningful connection to the past. The magic of origami lies in its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. A single sheet of paper, meticulously folded, can become a work of art that brings joy and sparks imagination. The dragon is a perfect example of this magic, turning a flat piece of paper into a dynamic creation that charms and captivates. Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of origami, a beautiful art form that has captivated people for centuries. So let's get started. Origami, a Japanese art form, is a unique way of creating beautiful and intricate designs using only paper. It's a craft that has been practiced for hundreds of years, and it's a great way to express creativity and learn new skills. One of the most fascinating aspects of origami is its ability to transform a flat piece of paper into a 3-dimensional object. This transformation process is called folding, and it's the foundation of all origami designs. Origami is a great way to learn about geometry, symmetry, and spatial awareness. It's also a great way to improve fine motor skills, as it requires a lot of precision and attention to detail. Origami is a versatile art form that can be used to create a wide variety of designs, from simple shapes like cranes and frogs to more complex designs like animals, flowers, and even entire scenes. One of the most famous origami designs is the crane, which is often used as a symbol of peace and good luck. Other popular designs include frogs, butterflies, and flowers. Origami is a great way to relax and unwind, as it's a meditative process that requires focus and patience. It's also a great way to spend time with friends and family, as it's a fun activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. If you're interested in trying out origami for yourself, there are plenty of resources available online and in bookstores. You can start with simple designs and work your way up to more complex ones. In conclusion, origami is a fascinating art form that has a lot to offer. It's a great way to express creativity, learn new skills, and spend time with loved ones. So why not give it a try? Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Until next time, happy folding!